Hello and welcome to Smooth Fusion Sitefinity tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the shared content block widget on your site pages and templates. So there are two ways of creating shared content blocks. One is to navigate to the content blocks content item in the navigation in the backend, and so you can create a content block from here. So you can manage existing content blocks from here, but you can also share content blocks from the pages themselves. So say you write this piece of copy on your page and you want it to appear on multiple pages, you can simply turn it into a shared content block, title that content block, and it's now a shared content block. So you can go in and edit this copy, and it will change everywhere if you want to modify all of those pages and you only want to test it on one page. But you can also unshare a content block and retain the copy. So if I was on another page now and I wanted to use that shared content block, I would drag that content block onto the page, go here to more, use shared content block, select the content block I just shared. It is now on my page. Now, since I've already created that content block, it does appear here in my shared content blocks, and I want to go in and manage it from the back end. I would go here, add my title, manage the RTE, and then save changes. And you can see here's the page without the shared content block, here is the page with the shared content block, and here's the original page with the shared content block. For more Sitefinity tips and tricks, subscribe to our YouTube channel, check us out on Facebook and Twitter, and don't forget to check out our blog. Thanks.